Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel and happy Valentine's Day. If you are catching this on the 14th, I thought it'd be fun to do some kind of giveaway, and I figured with Valentine's Day today, it would be fun to do a Galentines themed giveaway. So I have a bunch of Valentine's Day themed makeup, and then I have a couple of like masks as like a spa sort of like treat yourself type of thing. So if you guys are interested in seeing the items that I'm going to be giving away to one winner, as well as how to enter, how to win, things like that, then just keep watching. Okay you guys, like I said in the introduction, I wanted to include some items in this giveaway that were sort of like spa like a true Galentine's Day sort of treat yourself type of a thing. So I picked up one of the new Pixie sheet mask sets. You get three sheet masks in this set. This is the Plump Collagen Boost sheet mask set. I also purchased one of these for myself, but I have not tried these yet, so I don't know if they're good or not, but I thought it would be fun to give these a go. I know Pixie just released a ton of new skincare and I'm really interested in a lot of it. And then I couldn't not include my favorite sheet mask of all time. I'm including a 5-pack of the Too Cool for School Egg Cream Masks. These are hydrating sheet masks and I love them so much. I talk about them all the time on my channel, so these will also be included. I also forgot to mention I'm testing out a different contour, and I feel like it looks super muddy on screen, so please ignore if my contour looks ridiculous. It's looking a little scary on screen, I'm aware though. Then I figured it would be super fitting to include a red nail polish because hello, I love to paint my nails, and I figured red would be a perfect Galentine sort of themed color. Also including two different lip products. The first is one of the NYX Butter Glosses in this bright pink shade in the shade Strawberry Parfait. I love the NYX Butter Gloss. I think it's really good. And then I also have this one from You Tafe Fatale, and this is just in like a fuchsia pink shade, so I thought that was very fitting for Galentine's Day. Sorry, I forgot I have a third lipstick in here. This is the Buxom Big and Sexy Bold Gel Lipstick in the shade White Russian. It's actually what's on my lips today. I do have this one as well. I'm also including a brush from Crown. I don't know, this is their Pro Blush brush, and to go with this, I'm popping in two different blushes. The first is this NYX Ombre blush. I love the NYX Ombre blushes. This is in the shade Sweet Spring, which as you can tell is like a bright pink shade, but super fitting for Valentine's Day. And then I'm also including the ABH Blush Trio in the shade Passion Pink. I also have a deluxe size of the Tarte Smooth Operator Amazonian Clay Powder, and then a deluxe sample size of the Smashbox Photo Finish Foundation Primer. To get your glow on this Valentine's Day, I'm also including the Becca Glow on the Go set. This comes with the Shimmering Skin Perfector Press in Rose Gold, which I love, and then it also comes with the liquid version as well. And then finally, I'm tossing in the ABH Modern Renaissance palette. It is what I used to create the eye look that I have today, and I just feel like it is the perfect palette to create a Valentine's inspired look. And after that, that is all the items that I'm going to be including in this giveaway. You guys can open the description box for the link to enter through. This giveaway is going to run today through March 14th. I'm going to run it for a month at 11:59 Central Standard Time. I just ask that you're 16 or older to enter, and that you are subscribed to my channel to enter. There'll also be some opportunities for bonus entries. Again, you can click the link below and you can get all of the information and details about the giveaway in my description box. So I hope you guys are excited for this giveaway, and I hope that you enjoy some of the products that I am including. I hope you have a great Valentine's Day, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye!